Hi, in front of me is Oppo Pad Air, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing features available on this device. You need to start by opening Devices Settings. In them, scroll all the way down to access additional settings. Now tap on Keyboard and Input Method, select Manage Keyboards and Gboard. Lastly, click on Text Correction. As you can see, all typing features are over here. You can manage them by tapping on the switchers next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!